What happens when two separate earthquakes occur simultaneously, far enough apart, but close enough to a point that would feel both at the same time? When two separate earthquakes occur simultaneously, far enough apart, but close enough to a point that would feel both at the same time, the ground motion at that point would be a combination of the two earthquakes' ground motions. The resulting ground motion would depend on the distance and direction of the two earthquakes from the point of observation, their magnitudes, and the local geological conditions. If the two earthquakes are of similar magnitude and frequency content, the resulting ground motion would be a combination of the two ground motions, resulting in a stronger and more complex motion. This can be compared to adding two waves together. If the waves are in phase, they will add up, and the resulting wave will be larger, while if they are out of phase, they will cancel each other out. However, if the two earthquakes are significantly different in magnitude or frequency content, the larger earthquake's ground motion would dominate, and the smaller earthquake's ground motion would be less noticeable. The ground motion could also be affected by the local geological conditions, such as the presence of soft soil or bedrock. Overall, the resulting ground motion from two separate earthquakes, occurring simultaneously far enough apart, but close enough to a point that would feel both at the same time, would depend on multiple factors and could be unpredictable. It is important to note, however, that such an occurrence is relatively rare. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains, and if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.